Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. You tune into the Market Beast edition. This is your fellow compadre speaking. So we have another stock on the list that we're going to focus on leading into next week. I'm going to give you the levels. I found a liquidity level / range. We have a conservative price target and a time frame. So I'll go over the specifics in terms of how I'm going to play the market in the beginning. And please stick around for the story because that's really the most important to take into consideration if you are actually investing in these stocks, which we do not recommend. This isn't financial advice. So let's get into it, guys. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore only price action. Welcome in all the new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. Sure. So today's October the 15th, I think it is, 2021, and the current price of Beyond Meat is going to be $105.49, slightly negative 1.3% for the day. The ticker is BYND. Okay. Hope you guys are doing well out there. Please pardon or enjoy any sounds in the background. Okay. All right, so here's the chart that I've been following. All right, so I'll explain everything, but let's just get into how I'm going to play this within the next. We'd have to give this one like 3 up to 4 weeks. I'm going to give you the one level that it needs to stay above in order to make it to the conservative price target within the next 3 to 4 weeks. So let's go ahead and pull that up here. All right, so basically if we pull up the daily candles, what you're going to notice is the previous level of resistance can be identified right about here. So that's going to be at like $104.74. We may have to update you guys often on this as the week, as the week progresses. But that's the one level that I would pay attention to right now. $104.74. And if it gets a little bit deeper of a retracement, as long as it's making a higher low, higher above the $100.01, then it should be good to go. That would be a higher low. Okay, pardon the noise there, guys. All right, so if that takes place, then the conservative price target for Beyond Meat would be $121. I think it was. Yeah, like $121. That's a conservative price target, again, from now up to 4 weeks from now. But again, the critical levels that we just went over, 104 and 101. Those are the levels. If it starts getting below that level, that's fine, guys. It's an inaccurate call. We have to scratch off everything and revisit go back to the drawing board, okay? So the guys who stopped out for the levels, that's everything. Conservative price target time frame, 4 weeks. And you should be good to go. And you got the retracement levels. Now, let's get into the story behind why I'm actually entering this market. I always have a reason why I'm entering the market. So if you're noticing the red arrow there, it's like pointing down. You see like 96 days, and you see the 38 days here on the chart. So basically, I think, see the 38 days here and 96 days here just represents how long it took for the market to kind of have a really aggressive move off this green line, and then finally top out somewhat over here, or have a local high, local top, right? June the 30th, and then of course start walking down the stairs. That's all I'm measuring is the activity from the price action in between the $101 level and leading to the $165 level. It's basically within a very large range right now. Okay, so basically what I'm looking to see is if the market would actually find another liquidity boost here at the end of the $101 level. So if we do get a nice liquidity boost, I think it will take place just above the $101 level. And the days, let me just explain the days. I think for those of you who have been with us some time, you understand why I have the days there. So it only took 36 days to thrust to the upside. Again, I'm measuring just kind of a little clustered area down here all the way to this level here. And then it took 96 days to move back down to the liquidity line. Let's just call it liquidity line, the green line down here, okay? All right, so this leads me to believe that there is a demand level down here at about 101, and the supply is closer to 165. If you're new, you're like, what is supply and demand? It's just basically mean that the big players are supplying the market with a lot of sell orders, and that means that the market will go down after the market has been sufficiently supplied. And the demand zone is the opposite. Of course, the market will likely get a nice financial boost to the upside if the market is hanging around or teetering near those lower levels. In this case, it's 101, okay? So that's kind of one of the reasons why I'm saying that we may be in for just a small push. I actually think that the market will break down below 101 here eventually, believe it or not. Sorry there, bulls. And if I'm wrong about that, that's all documented. I'm just trying to play a small swing in the market here. That's my speculative observation. That's my reason for entering. You have the specifics. It's in a range. And that's pretty much it, guys. There's a lot more to why I'm entering the market, but let's just keep it short for now. And I guess a little bit elaborating will take place on the next video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that small story. That's pretty much all I have for this video. And hopefully you guys are doing well. And that is the end of the video. So hopefully you enjoyed that. So can you support the channel by leaving an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content? And if this comes to fruition, if you're watching this 4 weeks from now, give me a like or something. I don't normally ask for a like, but I'd appreciate that. And leave a comment saying, yeah, man, you nailed that. I really enjoy the feedback. Also, if you're new, we explore the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, kindly subscribe and the bell, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. I truly appreciate your time for stopping out. Remember to execute your strategies. This is a sneak peek on what I'm doing. Please do what you're normally doing in the market. All right. We'll talk soon. Keep that positive energy flowing, of course. And bye for now, guys.